Okay, students, we have to move towards page number 9, and here's an activity. Write a letter to your friend telling that you are worried about his health issues. Okay, and you know very well that when we write in a letter, first of all, we have to write down heading, and then we have to move towards the body. And you may write down body like this. Dear friend, I have come to know that you are suffering from fever. I'm much worried about your health. I want to come to see you, but right now it is impossible for me to come over here. But as I'll get some time, I'll come to see you. I pray to Allah that you may recover soon. Kindly inform me about your present condition as early as possible, and pay my regards to all at home. And at the end, you have to write down, ending your loving son. Sorry, your loving friend, yours truly, and so on. Forms of verbs there. You have to do these forms of verb by yourself. Translate the following into English. So there is nothing, you may skip this one portion. How will you motivate someone to learn English language? Yes. Okay, how will you motivate someone to learn English language? Students, you have to write down it in your own words, but you may write down like this. If I have to motivate someone to learn English language, obviously I'll tell him the benefits of this language, that it is an international language. If we have to make progress, so it is very important nowadays to learn it, because if we go somewhere else, it is very essential for us to learn and to know that what the other person is saying something to us. If we are talking to if we have to talk to foreigner, so obviously it is the only key to talk to him. At page number 11, write an essay on the importance of dictionary or the importance of internet. Now up to you that on which topic you want to write down. But it would be great if you write down at the importance of internet, because as you know very well that students, nowadays we are using internet a lot of. Actually, without internet, it is impossible for us to take classes. You are taking your class at Zoom or at Google Classroom, so it is because of internet. So you have to describe the importance of internet, that how much important it is, and especially in these days it is very useful for us. You just have to write down the importance, that it is very important for us if we stuck somewhere, if we feel any difficulty in with any work, so we just search it about that thing, and we find out a lot of things, and it helps us to solve our problems in seconds. Okay, you have to write down like this. Underline the abstract noun. It is done, so you have to do it by yourself. Material noun, it is done, you have to do by yourself. Abstract, material, correct. Now you have to separate these nouns. Here are nouns, you have to separate abstract, material, and collective noun, and then you have to write it down. Let's move towards page number 13. Make sentence of these prepositions. You have to do it. Prepositions are done. Use a common preposition from the word bank to complete the sentence. Students, a video related to preposition has been already posted, so you may take help from that video. Rewrite the sentence in the underlined word or words of pronoun. Done. It is also part of worksheet, so it is also done. Okay, the last page, page number 15. Use possessive pronoun from the box below to complete each sentence. Examples are here. By taking help from the examples, you have to do it. Okay, friends, I have tried my level and I have tried my level best to tell you, but if you will feel any kind of difficulty, you just have to send a message in your group, and I'll always say it to facilitate you. I'll help you as much as I can. Okay, you just have to send me a message. You have to describe the activity. Teacher, I'm unable to do this activity, kindly help me. Okay, I'll definitely help you. Thank you.